Hi friends, today I want to describe what trains are available to the station and what are the timings of the station. That all things many people don't know. So I want to explain about it. So let us to know about the things we have to install one app from the Play Store. Move to Play Store first and type there live train status. In that live train IRTC PNR status and go to the live train IRCTC PNR status and Indian Rail info. I already installed that app, so I opening this app. We can search anything. I want to search trains between the stations, so I am clicking that. My station is Anakapalli. My destination is Pittapuram, so I am finding the trains. So many ads will come, we have to escape from the ads. Like this we have to search the trains. We can check live status of the train also. So I clicked the live status. Yes, the status of the train also it's coming. Yes. Okay. Anyway, we can search about the PNR status also. The PNR status will tell us the whether the ticket is confirmed or not. If we type PNR status something and get PNR status, we will get. And again seat map. In this everything there we can search about it and we can download. We can see it. If you like this video, you can subscribe or like or you can share. Thank you for visiting my video.